What's up YouTube, Teddy Westside here for another video, and today I just wanted to shoot a quick video for two things. One, we're going to pick the winner of the giveaway, and two, I wanted to talk to you guys about the new YouTube monetization policy and kind of the future of this channel. First, let's start on a good note and let's pick the giveaway winner. If you recall my last video, all I asked you guys to do was go down below and comment, and you were automatically entered to win. So I'm just going to go to that video now. I'm going to write down all of your names in a list, give you guys a number, and then I'm going to use a random number generator from Google and pick the random person that way. Whatever number Google tells me is going to be who the winner is. I will reach out to that winner in several ways on YouTube, but I am going to ask you guys to please try to reach out to me also on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, my Instagram will be right here, but it's at Teddy Westside 412. Same thing as my YouTube name. I keep it simple and sweet for you guys. Should follow me because I do post more often on there. I definitely let you guys know kind of a heads up what's going on with the YouTube channel, when the next video is coming out, and kind of like what the video is going to be about. So if you don't already follow me, please go do that now. Okay, so I got the comments loaded up here. I got my handy duty pencil and piece of paper. So again, I'm just going to write down your names, give you a number, and then we will go to the Google part after that. Okay, after all that, I got 12 names who have entered for the giveaway, so I'm pretty happy about that response. So again, I'm going to just go to Google. I just typed in random number generator on Google. It comes up with its own box on the page. You just put in your minimum and maximum, and then you click generate, and you get a special winner. So I'm going to show you guys that now so you don't think I'm cheating or anything, and we will find out who the lucky winner is. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the minimum of 1, the maximum of 12, and we are just going to click generate to figure out who our lucky winner is. So here we go. Wow, the lucky winner seems to be number 1. So let's go over to the sheet and see who number 1 was. And number 1 was Paintballa. Okay, so Paintballa, you are the winner. So thank you for commenting on the last video. I appreciate all the support. I believe I've seen your name on a couple of my videos now, so I know that you're a frequent visitor. Again, try to reach out to me on Instagram. Just DM me. I'm gonna need some sort of proof that like Paintballa is your YouTube name. Again, I am gonna try to reach out to you on YouTube as well, but I will just like comment on your comment from the last video first to try to reach out to you. So again, thank you guys for participating in that giveaway. Like I said before, I am going to try to maybe do another giveaway at another milestone. But now we're going to get to kind of the bummer part about the video, and that is YouTube's new monetization policy and kind of what that means for this channel. Okay, so YouTube monetization. The old policy was all you needed to do was have 10,000 lifetime views on your channel. It was a very, very low barrier to entry. Very easy for people to do, you know, one viral video and you're well over that. Unfortunately, I have yet to reach that milestone, but I was getting close, so it was a little bit of a bummer to find out that YouTube made these new rules. The new rules are you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, not watch minutes, watch hours, which is a long time. It's made the barrier to monetization a little bit higher. Like I said, I was a little bit bummed when I first heard about these new rules because I was getting close to the 10,000 mark. I do understand though that like I wasn't gonna make any money anytime soon. So after like I sat back and thought about it more, I'm okay with it. I mean, I really do think it's something YouTube needs to do to survive for the long run, and that's because this makes it a lot harder for people to monetize your channel. I mean, you really need to put effort into it. You're not going to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours off of like one video. I mean, you might if it's a, you know, a big name, a viral video, but like it's not going to be very easy for people to do. So YouTube is making it where you have to do this. I mean, you got to make an effort. So I think that's a good thing, because it's only going to make YouTube better in the long run in my eyes. I think the people that want to try to make money off of this and make it into a job and a career are going to just keep working at it, and they're gonna still do it, whether it was the 10,000 views or this barrier to entry now. It's just, you got to work at it, and to make the money on YouTube, you kind of need those numbers. I watched a video from that dude in blue, and he was saying that like majority of YouTube channels that are monetized make less than $300 a year, and that's just because, you know, they have those small channels that just, you know, do a little bit here, a little bit there. This isn't going to affect the big guys at all, and that was kind of my bummer, because it was a big guy that kind of like is hurting YouTube's name. It wasn't a small guy, but in order for YouTube to be able to prevent that again, they need less people to monetize their channel, because YouTube is now going to hire people to pretty much watch all the videos and approve them for advertisers. And to do that, I mean, you need a lot less content that is able to be monetized to review all that content. I mean, there's thousands of hours of video uploaded to YouTube every single day. I mean, it's crazy. So this is definitely something that I think is a good thing for YouTube in the long run. Again, I'm a little bit bummed out, but it's not going to stop me. I mean, I never got into this for the money. YouTube was really just a hobby of mine. It still is a hobby of mine, because I don't make money. It costs me a lot of money to run this YouTube channel. I mean, my camera equipment's not cheap. The parts that I do the installs for, they're not free. I'm not a big person getting free parts, so like I gotta pay for all that stuff. I mean, the money really does add up, but it's stuff that I want to do. I mean, I work a pretty boring job. I'm an accountant for a big corporation. I do the same thing every single day, every single month. It's something that I don't mind doing because it pays my bills. I'm very happy for that. It's what I went to college for, so I'm using my degree, yada yada yada. Not many people get to say that these days, so I'm very thankful for what I have, but it is pretty boring. So YouTube was a way for me to kind of create something from nothing. I mean, I just grab my camera and I either film, you know, what I'm doing that day, or talk to you guys, or whatever it is. I wanted to start a YouTube channel because I wanted to work on my car. I wanted to show people that it's not hard to do. I mean, there's a lot of things that you could do to your car that you don't need to have sophisticated knowledge or tools. I mean, I have a very basic garage, and I have no mechanical knowledge. I never went to like a tech school. I never worked in a garage, really. I've never done any of this. It's all, you know, me watching YouTube videos and learning those skills myself and then applying it to that. So I just want to try to keep doing that for everybody else. I've talked to a few people and I've encouraged them to start their own YouTube channels, and it's awesome. I think, you know, if you want to do it, then go for it. So do not let these new monetization things like discourage you from trying to create your own YouTube channel if you were thinking about it before. I'll be honest with you, if you want to make YouTube your full-time job, like, you really have to work at it. You're not going to do that overnight. I mean, it's going to take you a while to build up an audience and build up your watch time and all that stuff, and it takes a while till you start making, you know, like Street Speed 717 money of 50 grand a month. Like, that doesn't happen for every single YouTuber. So don't do it just for money. Like, you really need to do YouTube as a hobby and for fun. There's other ways to make money on YouTube, whether it is, you know, creating your own website, your own company, and selling stickers, t-shirts, yada yada yada. There's other ways that you can make money on YouTube. You can work with companies and do sponsored videos and all that stuff. There's ways to make money, but it is a lot harder, I think, now to go full-time. Well, no, I'm not even going to say that. I think it's the same to go full-time in YouTube. It's just a lot harder to start making that money. But I think once you do make the money with the new rules, like, you're going to see more money up front than you would have with the old rules. Like, the old rules, you still needed to make $100 before YouTube would even send you a check, which, I mean, if you've only got like 11,000 views, it's going to take you a long time to get to that $100. So I really think, like, with these new rules, like, you should be able to get that $100 within like a month or so. Again, this isn't going to change anything on the channel. I'm still going to keep on making videos for you guys. But I do need your guys' help. I do want to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. I would like to try to get my channel to be monetized eventually, so that's going to be a two-part effort. That's going to be an effort on you guys to help share the videos, get more people watching, get more people subscribing, and then it's going to be an effort on my part to make more videos and better content for you guys. and a way to make better content, I'm just going to ask you guys, what would you guys like to see? Do you want more videos of me just talking to you? Do you want videos of me driving around in the car? I know there's some videos that I want to shoot. The weather's been bad. I've been sick for the last like 3 weeks. I know those are excuses, but it's been hard for me to kind of get out and do stuff. I live in PA. As soon as I get off of work during the week, I've got about a half hour of daylight, and then it's dark, and I can't even like get anywhere to a nice road to go driving on in that, you know, half hour of daylight because the traffic being so bad around where I live. But again, just let me know what you guys want to see. I do have more parts that I want to install in the car. There's some general maintenance that I need to do on the car that I will show you guys that as well. I need to put the different spring in my blow-off valve now that I'm at stage 2, and I need an oil change coming up. So things like that I want to show you guys how to do it, because I mean, oil changes for this car are pretty expensive. I mean, if you buy the kits online, they're like 55 bucks, and that doesn't include any labor. So I haven't paid for an oil change at a dealership. I'm sure like Volkswagen's charging you $85, $90 for an oil change, so that's not something I'll ever do. I'll just do it myself. It's not hard. You have all the tools, or I have all the tools at least, so I'm gonna do that. Comment down below things that you want to see coming up for future videos. I'll make anything really, just let me know. As always guys, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. It'll be in the description, it always is. And I will catch you guys in the next video.